Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Monday, November 6th. We're going to be seeing a mostly cloudy day out there, but very warm for this time of year. We're going to be running about 15 degrees above average, so definitely looking at a warm day, and then we're going to be getting some showers and a possible rumble of thunder later this evening. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the area, you can see we have a cold front draped across portions of the Midwest with some rain over the Appalachians as of 9Z this morning. That rain is going to continue to migrate eastward along with that front, and it will be impacting us later today, mainly after the 5 p.m. hour near sunset is when we're going to be seeing the best chances for that shower activity, and can't rule out a rumble of thunder or two, as that is a pretty strong front that's going to be moving across the area. So taking a look at our satellite and radar loop here, you can see we are seeing those southwesterly prefrontal winds this morning, blowing around 8 to 13 knots, and that is going to help to really warm up the atmosphere. Normally we'd expect highs in the mid-60s for this time of year, but we are going to be looking at high around 76 today. So very warm again, but under mostly cloudy skies ahead of this incoming front. Here is a short-term model just to show you the timing of that rain as it passes through, and as you can see, it's going to be a pretty quick shot of rain, only going to be expecting about an hour or two of showers and possible thunderstorms. And once again, that's going to be mainly after 5 p.m. this evening and ending by around 10 p.m. As of 8 a.m., we are seeing a few lower level clouds this morning around 500 feet, and then a broken cirrus deck at 25,000 feet. Winds are southwesterly from azimuth 200 at 9 knots, with a temperature this morning of 63 degrees. Taking a look at our weather hazards here, we're going to be looking at that high of 76 today. Once again, very warm. Winds are going to be from the southwest for much of the day. Look at the peak at around 10 to 15 knots early this afternoon, gusting to around 22 knots. Not expecting a wind advisory, but can't rule out a slight chance of a very brief wind gust to 25 knots ahead of this front. As we go past the 4 p.m. hour, that's when we're going to be looking at those chances for showers and thunderstorms. Looking like around a 40% chance of showers across the area, and then a 20 to 30% chance of some isolated thunderstorms, mainly between 5 and 10 p.m. And then behind that front, those winds are going to be turning northerly around 9 to 14 knots, weakening slightly to 7 to 12 knots by Tuesday morning. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, we're going to be looking at some lower level clouds for much of the day, looking at like a scattered to broken deck as we go around 1,000 feet as we go into later this morning, and then rising to about 2,000 feet earlier this afternoon. And we will be seeing a that fixed cirrus deck throughout much of the day. Looking at a mid-level deck expected here in the mid to late morning hours, around 15,000 feet. And as we go into the afternoon, as that front approaches with those rain showers, we can expect a broken deck near that 4,000 foot level. And then, as you can see here, we are going to be looking at those rain chances between 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. mainly. After 10 p.m., we're going to see those clouds clear out just a little bit, becoming a few at 1,500 feet or a few at 3,000 feet, continuing to see that broken cirrus deck. And then by tomorrow morning, we're going to see those clouds begin to increase again, expecting a scatter deck near 1,500 feet, broken at 3,000 feet, broken at 15,000, overcast cirrus deck. And we are going to be looking at those clouds increase throughout the day, as we are going to be expecting rain again tomorrow evening. So looking at the next few days here, going to be looking at just some partly sunny skies tomorrow morning. Then it's going to become quickly overcast by the mid-morning hours, and we're going to be looking at some late afternoon and early evening showers move back into the area, with a chilly high of 57 degrees tomorrow. For Tuesday night, we're going to be looking at cloudy skies again. Still going to be looking at scattered light showers in the area, as we have a stationary, that front that's going to be passing us today is going to become stationary across the mid-Atlantic, with some areas of energy riding it. So that is going to be keeping our rain chances into Wednesday as well. Only looking a little bit less likely for rain, but still expect a chance of some widely scattered isolated light showers throughout the day on Wednesday, with another cold high behind this cold front of 55 degrees. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a nice day.